Hello from Frösjöstrand in Gnesta municipality, part of Sörmland region. So I have visited this beach um, in August it was, and it was also empty as it is today. However, today it's a bit chillier, both in the air and in the lake. So this is Frösjö Lake, right next or very close to the main train station, central station of Gnesta, where you can come either by taking the commuter train from Stockholm, known as Pendeltåg, or with the regional and interregional trains, a Mälartåg that goes through Gnesta from other cities nearby in the area. So we have currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 17 degrees Celsius in the lake Frösjö. As I will be traveling tonight to my home country, Macedonia, and I will be taking off from Skavsta, so I thought today to explore again this beach is in Gnesta, as this is almost halfway through to the airport, but I will be checking out also Nyköping, as I have a very late flight, so I thought to spend this late afternoon on the beach. So currently it is 4 p.m. and yes, I'm ready then for a swim here at Frösjön at Frösjöstrand. So the beach is sandy, and there is even a large green area with few benches to sit and to do grill also as well. And there is even a volleyball court as well here on the beach. But the beach is completely empty, as I mentioned. And there is even a children's playground close by. So yes, Gnesta, once again in Gnesta. So it has been a while since I did a beach adventure outside of Stockholm region. Only like a month ago, but still. Yes, today it is 25th of September 2024, a wonderful Wednesday, and also known as payday in Sweden, because most of the people get their pay checks on 25th of the month. So yes, not the best weather, but still September is showing off its final hot days. As I have seen the forecast, it doesn't look that good next week. So I will be traveling not just to Macedonia but a few other countries. I will be away for a few days, and next week when I'm back, I think I'm gonna have some challenges with beach adventures. But yes, we are already at beach day number 157, so not so much left of this beach season. So let's see. So you can go into the lake through the sandy beach, but also we're gonna go like we did last time through the jetty and then swim out from the sandy beach. So there is a nice jetty that's overlooking also the central part of Gnesta that you can see. The buildings are very nice and how to say, they look aristocratic, but this is probably not the most rich neighborhood, rich city there is, if we compare it to central Stockholm, for example. But quite nice, lots of houses here around the lake, and I see on the other side only forest. So yeah, the wind is making the return now, and the sun is hiding behind the clouds, and diving is forbidden as well, as the depth is only 1.4 meters here. So right, let's then get going, as I have around. It's quite an adventure I'm on to. So yes, time for a swim here at Frösjöstrand. Okay, 17 degrees, still very good. Oh, there is a silver train passing by. Fast train, I think it goes towards Eskilstuna, if I'm not completely mistaken. Alright, ready, set, go! I just love taking a dip and swim in any lake, and today it's not on one of the usual lakes I visit in Stockholm, so I feel extra happy that I was able to come to this. I can actually stand. I don't know why I was swimming, it's also nice anyway. So yes, we have now slight comeback of the sun, and let me show you around how is the view I have from the inside the water, inside the lake. Beautiful. I tried opening my eyes and see, but I just saw something greenish. I guess it's because of the algae in the water, but the water is clean anyway. And now we have another train passing by. Red this time. Not really sure this is MTRX Express. So yes, that's it. That's a wrap from Frösjöstrand in Gnesta, Sörmland. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me today on this 25th of September, and we will resume the Sweden beach adventures next week, as I'm going to be traveling abroad and not really sure if there's going to be some beach adventures there where I'm going, so let's see and find out when I'm back. So thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.